the Italian beast rear wheel drive Maserati Ghibli S. Shall I kick out? Yep. It's not him. How much is that gonna kick out? I want to say I'm not if. Guys, welcome back to another video, man. You see what we got? The Maserati? Yeah. The Maserati. Look at it. Look at it. Basically a Ferrari engine. You know that, right? The Italian beast rear wheel drive Maserati Ghibli S. Go follow my boy humble_boy dev on Instagram. Maserati Ghibli S come with 404 horsepower. You got the red interior, the paddles. Oh my gosh, look at the paddles. We just drove it over here like 5 minutes or less and it feels crazy. The all black, red everywhere, red on the calipers. Plus yo, this thing got 2 calipers on the back. That's sick. And look at the rims. The rims look sick with the red on the inside. Yeah, he got brand new tires, so we're gonna see what it do, see what it feel like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the exhaust sounds sick. When you put it in sport, you hear the exhaust open and it sounds crazy. V6 twin turbo, you hear the turbo suck too, so I mean it's pretty powerful. 404 horsepower, big old big car. And hopefully we're gonna take it for a ride. We're gonna take it for a spin. We're gonna see what it feel like. All I know, this shit look mad aggressive. The rims sick. He said he's about to lower it soon. Man, ready to take this for your drive, though? Curve it up, me to hear it, bro. As I said, go follow the man on Instagram, humble_boy dev. I'll leave it down below in the description. And it's completely stock. There's nothing that has been done to this car, nothing at all. So let's see how it drives, man. This thing looks sick. Which year it be? 2017. And it look brand new, not true? Yeah, you look right. Yo, you got Maserati on all the headrests. Yeah, this sick. This sick, bro. This sick. So far, as I said, I just drove it a little bit, just from over the house, across the street, and it feel nice. The Ghibli and everything, the Maserati logo and everything, carbon fiber everywhere. Feel rich. Feel rich. So you know, I mean, he's a rich man on it, so we expect. Never ever noticed the clock up here, so bro. But yeah, everything is in sport. The exhaust, listen to that. Big old difference. Hear the turbo? Alright, bro, this is about to be lit. Let's drop it into drive, into manual, then the manual, cool. And let's go play with it, man. See how it should drive? Hear the turbo. Alright, cool. Then can't listen to slide it yet. You don't have to get used to it first before you slide it still.
Used to power, it's a power difference.
Yeah, because he coming from an Infiniti Q50. I mean, it was tuned up and everything. And then lowered, lowest one too. So the Maserati, man, big upgrade. You guys let me know in the comments. But these paddles, yo, the paddles them feel good. Because you feel like you're driving either a Ferrari or a Lambo, you know what I'm saying? The Italians do good with the paddles. And as I said, it's basically a Ferrari engine minus 2 cylinders. Alright. You sure I got kick out? Yep. It's not if. How much is that gonna kick on? I want to say I'm not if for real, bro. How much? And this is with new tires too. Sometimes you know you have to have well worn down tires to kick out certain cars, but no, bro. And then she sit over the corner of them too, you know? Downshift, turn in. And guys, like what I said, this is completely stock. There's nothing done to this car other than the rims. Exhaust is stock. That type piece I rub up on the new asphalt later, dog. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Up top, your feet just not built. Yo. Right, that's how we just start pull. That's like turn, like a Migla turn. I know it's pulling hard. Yeah, I see what you're saying now, bro. Like the middle of third is when they get like the full power. Yo, you know your car, man. You know your car, brother. Since him I go pull up, I could just turn. Maserati. First time I drive a Mazzy. It go for the bump, bro. The turbo a while ago. It go for the bump. Them so nice. It feel good, yeah? And then you can come like so and throw it in. No care. Boy, yo, you hear the pop?
Yeah.
Boy, it's a killer! Bro, you hear the pop a while ago?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Yes, guys, we almost finished with our drive, but man, I'm impressed. The way the pop, yo, I never expect it for pop on a stock exhaust. Throw it round it up. Yeah, bro, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. This is a huge upgrade over the Infinity. The Infinity couldn't drift like that. The Infinity couldn't drift like that. Huh? No, because the Infinity would have been one wheel. Yeah. You see, man? Yeah. I'm loving this, guys. And then listen to it. It sounds so sick. How do I do that? Tell me, you know.
Try it.
That's okay, I can try it. I gotta do it, man. No fear, fuck it, I gotta do it.
Just to try it.
Listen, bro, I said that to you just to try it.
Just to try it.
Damn, bro, this thing feel good. This thing feel good. Yo, this feel good, bro. We never drive a Maserati before, you know. Yeah. So it's like, it's our first time, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And to believe that this is completely stock, nothing to do it. Bro, listen to it. Listen to it. Yo, the exhaust sound like something trapped inside it and I try to come on. Like a cat there inside it and I try to come on. That didn't sound like that.
Okay, that's the first one guess.
Yo, it's like you say, what are you doing more? Last stretch. Yep, reaching out quick. Hear it. When you wind up doing the hear more noise from up on the engine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man, cause I damn sure did. All the carbon fiber, bro. What? No, we're living in luxury. Once you pay for this, like 100,000? 100K, bro? That's an auto. Yeah? We're chilling. Yes. You know we can have whisper. We can whisper bomba conversation, dog. No, brother. That carry how much? That carry how much? No, I want it. I need that one, you know. Damn, bro. All the damn carbon fiber. I mean, guys, just go follow my boy Dev, man. What's that? No, dog. I'll be rich neighbors. Aston, man. And the M4 don't listen to McLaren there. No. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button, man. Respect, bro. Respect, bro. As again, go follow my boy Dev on the Instagram, man. I'm gonna show you guys this car one more time. But yeah, look at it in all its glory. Fully blacked out with the red. I wanna done the tire too much, right? Are them ball? Them ball? No, so they're not ball, man. They're good. Red accents everywhere. Normally people say Maserati is not reliable, but we just did that and did it flawlessly. No check engine light, no nothing. You see what I'm saying? So I mean, yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Let me know which car y'all want to see next, man. But yo, this looks sick. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, man. Bye bye.